Hello, thank you for joining me. Today I want to show you how to change the turn signal on a 2009 Jeep Patriot. This is the rear turn signal. And so what I'll have to do first is open the back gate, lift gate, and I'll have to remove this. It's a plug. There's one there and there's one here. Because as you can see, it fits flush on the outside. And that's the only way to access it. So flathead screwdriver, you do it in two things. You're supposed to pop this little piece out here and then pull the plug out, but on this one, on mine, this one is broken, so I'm just going to pop this out. It's two pieces, there's a plug in there. And so I'm going to pop that one out down there and show you that also. It's up part the way, and I'm just going to use some pliers and pull it out. There's two pieces, but obviously this one has been changed before. There's a plug that you pry out with the flathead screwdriver, and then it'll come out. I don't know if you can see that. There's two plugs here, male pieces that go into here. These two plugs, male pieces, fit into these two pieces here. And so once you take those screws out, you can just pull this and pop it out. And that's what it looks like. This is the turn signal up here. So you just pull that out. Twist it and pulled it out. And okay, so you don't want to handle the bulb, so I'm using a piece of paper towel to hold it so that I don't put any grease or oil on the bulb itself. And then you just plug it back in. It snaps right in. And all I'm going to do is, first what I'm going to do before I put it in there, I'm going to check it first. And it's working. Just need to make sure it's working before I put it back in. So now I just put it in, and this is like the new computers. It only goes in one way, so don't force it. And then I give it a turn clockwise, and it's in. All I'm going to do now is just, these two are going to go in here. Snaps into place, and then these two pieces go back in. It's two pieces. The piece, it usually has a V-shaped thing on here, and even with this one piece it would not go back in. So all I'm going to do now, this piece has to go in first. And once you push it all the way in, then you take this makeshift screw piece and push it in. It causes the other piece to expand and to hold it in place. Even the broken piece still, both of them are broken like that. But that's the only way to put it back in. And then you can take something, piece of metal or something, and all you do is press it in. Make sure it's all the way in. It snaps. It usually will snap in. There's two ridges on that piece that looks like a screw. It snaps in, and there you have it. It's in. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.